Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is your acronym and acrostic teacher. So, our word for today, as you can see, is the word ark. So, what is meant by ark? So, are you familiar with that Noah's Ark? Okay, so for me, this is the meaning of ark, and we have to do it every day, in every circumstances, in every where we are in every day of our lives. So what is meant by arc? Means a random of kindness. A random of kindness. We have to do a random of kindness every day of our lives. Why? Because God knows our heart. So the only thing that we have to do in this world is to be kind every day of our life. As much as possible, do an act of kindness to every fellow man you encounter in your life. It's not hard to be kind, okay? So just if help people in any way you can, whether it be material things, whether it be in terms of financial or anything that you can offer help. When a person is really frustrated or when a person is really needs someone to talk to, lend an lend an ears to hear or listen to his problems or what, so that you can tell to that person that life is still beautiful because struggles are part of life. So we could live a meaningful life if we do a random of kindness every day of our life. You know, we cannot live by ourselves. No man is an island. We need to socialize. We need to mingle with different kinds of people. With the different people that we meet, God will give us a chance to show our kindness for every person that we meet in our lives. And we have that we have that capability to do good things to other people. So remember the word a random of kindness, the acronym ARC. So I hope I can give you positivity in life with this short videos. As long as there are words to share, I will give these words that you will learn something from it. So, yun lang po. Pasensya na kasi ano lang, kung ano lang naisip po lang script. So, once again, this is your acronym teacher. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao sa lahat po ng mga kababayan ko sa Pinas. So, God bless us all.